The foundation of this practice is excellence in orthopedic care, innovation, education, and research. And all my partners are involved in every facet of that. And that's what makes this place amazing. At Rothman, we're all encouraged to do research. A lot of the stuff that I've been involved with has to do with arthroscopic surgery. We have a new study on meniscal repair. I've done some studies that involve total joint arthroplasty, also in both outcomes and techniques. For me, it was an honor to be asked to join Rothman Orthopaedics. It is one of the top orthopedic groups in the world, and the quality of care, the expertise and excellence, and I'm honored to work with my partners who are all experts in their field and provide the best care in the world to our patients.